understand how to get this data into Power BI desktop. So go to the Windows search and try to type here Power BI. You'll get Power BI desktop. Then try to get the data. Select the file. File type is equal to Excel. Something like this. File and type is equal to Excel. Try to say connect. Then select our source. As for the source, how many sheets are available? The sheets and tables we are going to see here. Now try to understand the window, whatever we have it in the Power Query. Mainly we have five main parts are available. One is called as menu bar, then query span, query settings span, then work area, then formula bar. Let us go and try to understand till here how to import, then observe the Power Query different windows whatever available. Okay, I already opened here Power BI desktop. It is readily available. This is how it looks like. Whatever you are seeing, this green screen is a welcome screen. I don't want it. I am closing it. Now this is actually our Power BI desktop. Here we can go to the get data. There we want to go to the Excel workbook because our source we are trying to use as Excel. You can notice we are trying to select here data source. We are trying to select here. A number of data sources are possible. In our case, we are going for our source as a Excel workbook. We are going. Whatever we are seeing here, these all are famous things. If you want more sources, you need to go for more, you have to go. Okay, now time being, we are going for Excel workbook, we are going. Now, this Excel workbook is available in the location. This is the location. Go and try to navigate to that location. So we are trying to navigate to that location. There you can notice we have scott-data.xlsx. If I try to open this one, then you should see 5 sheets and we are going to see some tables. We are going to see it. Observe here, observe here. Wow, beautiful. Now you can able to differentiate based on the icon, which is a sheet, which is a table. Whatever we have now, this is called as now sheet. What is called as sheet? It is called as sheet. And whereas if you go and try to observe, we go and try to observe, we have, for example, products icon. If you observe, the header is available in the blue color and we got the some grid, we got it. So this is called as table. That is called as table. We can able to differentiate which is table, which is sheet. We are able to differentiate here. Now we understand inside the Excel workbook, we have two types of things, sheets and tables are available. Now I would like to go for, now I'd like to go for couple of things. For example, EMP sheet and DEPT sheet, two things I am taking it for example. Then in the bottom, we are seeing the load as well as transform data. Load means directly we are going to load the data. Transform data is something we are not happy with the data. We want to do some kind of manipulation, some data wrangling, converting one type of data into another type. Some kind of things if we want to do it, then we need to go for transform data. Yes, I am not happy with the data, whatever available. That is the reason I am going for transform data, but I selected only what I needed. Even though we have 8 or 9 objects, I did not select it all. I selected only EMP and DEPT objects. Let us click on here transform data. Why? Because this data is not ready to use. If you see the last record, it is showing as null, null, null. It is not required. You can go and you can remove that one. And also you can see commission as some null values. I don't want to see that. Some kind of transformations I want to do. That is the reason we are going for transform data. Power BI is called as multi-window environment. Multi-window environment. Now you can notice we got here now one new window. We got it. The new window is called as Power Query Editor window. We got here one new window called as Power Query Editor window. Previously already we have here one window Power BI desktop window. So this window is came on top of the Power BI desktop window. It came and both are independent. Both are independent, meaning I can go back and I can work on here and I can come here and I can work on here. Okay, both are independent. Both are independent. Suppose I'm here, then I can go and I can take one pie chart I want means I can go and I can take the pie chart. I'm working where I'm working now in the Power BI desktop. I can go and I can work in the Power Creator also I can work. Both are independent windows. Independent windows. Okay, now I can maximize this Power Query Editor window. Let me maximize it. I maximized it. Now try to understand different parts which are available here. So we have here different parts wise. I can say in the top, whatever we have it, this is called as menu bar. This is called as menu bar. Okay, it is called as menu bar. And we have here next one something. This is called as toolbar. Whatever you are seeing the big icons, it is called as toolbar. And we have something. This window is called as queries window. Whatever we have this window is called as queries window. And we have here this side, you can notice query settings window is available. This is called as query settings window. And we also have here formula bar is available. You can go and you can observe here. This is called as formula bar. FX stands for formula bar. Okay, we are going to know more information about formula bar. Now we also have here main work area is available. Main work area is available. This part, whatever you are seeing, is called as main work area. Main work area. So now we are clear about. Now we are clear about. This is called as menu bar. What is this? Menu bar. One thing is available, and below this one, whatever available, this is called as toolbar. Toolbar. Now we understand third one we have here that is called as queries window. Third one is available that is called as queries window. Third one we have here that is called as queries window. Queries, queries window. Okay, and we have here fourth one we have here, and fourth one we have here. The fourth one is called as query settings window. Fourth one we have here that is called as query settings window. So we have here, this is called as query settings window. Query settings window. Now we have here fifth one we have here. We have here fifth one we have here. The fifth one is called as what is that? Formula bar. The fifth one is called as formula bar. Okay, we can go and we can take that one. Fifth one we have here that is called as formula bar. Formula bar. Now we have here sixth one we have here that is called as main work area. That is called as main work area. So sixth one we have here, it is called as main work area. That is a place where you are going to work on it. So now tell me, in Power Query Editor window, how many parts are available? In Power Query Editor window, how many parts are there? Total 6 parts are there. Menu bar, toolbar, queries window, query settings window, then formula bar, then main work area. These are the 6 parts which are available. We'll try to know more information about each window while you're doing the next activities. We come to know it. Okay, please try to import till here.